Installation steps. Step 1. Take out the water pumping unit. Clean the water tank manually. And fill the water tank with municipal tap water. Step 2. Remove the filter package and the paperboard. Align buckles of the filter to notches of the water pumping unit, and insert a new filter. After the new filter is installed in place, the bottom of the filter is aligned with that of the water pumping unit, and there may be a click sound. Step 3. Put the water pumping unit back into the water tank. Step 4. Click the water dispensing key twice to allow water to naturally flow out of the water outlet, and start to take water. Filter Replacement Guide. To remove the old filter, take out the water pumping unit and push the bottom of the filter upwards to loosen the filter from the water pumping unit. Then, press the buckles on both sides of the filter to take the filter out of the water pumping unit. Remove the filter package and the paperboard on two sides. Align the buckles of the filter to notches of the water pumping unit, and insert a new filter. After the new filter is installed in place, the bottom of the filter is aligned with that of the water pumping unit, and there is a click sound. Hold the water dispensing key for 3 seconds for filter resetting, and after the filter is successfully reset, the filter life indicator turns blue. After filter reset, it is highly recommended to flush it for at least 3 minutes before using.